Have you ever studied English for years, but when someone asks, "What do you do at school?" your brain suddenly says,
And then you panic and say, I go school. Eat food. Teacher angry.
and suddenly your English sounds like a robot that needs help.
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn how to talk about your daily school routine in natural English. Like a real English speaker.
And wait until you hear my embarrassing school story. It involves sleeping in class.
Again.
We don't talk about that.
Hello everyone and welcome back to EasyTalk English.
Where learning English is easy and fun,
Practical.
and sometimes embarrassing.
Today we're talking about something every student needs. How to describe your daily routine at school in English.
This is super useful if you're speaking in class, preparing for interviews, talking with friends, taking English exams, or making conversation online.
And many learners know vocabulary, but they struggle to speak naturally.
Today we fix that. Morning routine before school.
Let's start with the morning. What do you say?
Many students say, "I wake and go school."
Understandable. But natural English sounds like this. I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to school. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth, get dressed, and eat breakfast.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
Perfect. Transportation to school. Let's learn transportation vocabulary. I walk to school. I take the bus. My parents drive me. I ride my bike. I take the train.
Or, I run because I woke up late,
That one is also very common.
especially on Mondays.
Arriving at school. Now you arrive at school. Useful sentences. I arrive at school at 8 a.m. I meet my friends. I go to my classroom. I prepare for class.
Or, I realize I forgot my homework.
A universal student problem.
Pure pain.
Funny story segment. Did you ever forget homework?
Once.
Once.
Okay, many times.
What happened?
My teacher asked, "Where is your homework?" And I said, "My dog ate it."
Did you even have a dog?
No,
That's bold.
she knew I was lying immediately.
School subjects. Now let's talk about classes. I study math. I have English class. I learn science. I attend history class. My favorite subject is art.
My favorite subject was lunch.
Lunch is not a subject.
It should be.
Asking questions in class. Useful classroom phrases. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Can you help me? May I go to the bathroom?
Important phrase, can I borrow a pen?
Especially from your best friend.
Who never gets that pen back?
Lunch break. Now lunchtime. I eat lunch with my friends. We talk together. We relax. I buy food from the cafeteria, after school activities. I go home. I do homework. I play sports. I attend extra classes. I spend time with my family. I study for exams.
Common mistakes.
Let's fix common mistakes. Wrong, I go in school. Correct, I go to school. Wrong, I make homework. Correct. I do homework. Wrong, I study at night. Correct. I study at night.
These small corrections make your English sound much more natural.
Confidence section. Many learners freeze because they try to make perfect sentences. You don't need perfect English. Start simple.
I wake up early. I go to school. I study English. I go home.
Simple English is powerful English. Real-life speaking practice. Let's answer, what is your daily school routine?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Then I go to school by bus. At school, I attend classes and meet my friends. I eat lunch during break. After school, I go home, do homework, and study for exams.
That sounds natural and fluent. Final emotional motivation.
A lot of students feel shy speaking English.
But remember, fluency starts with small daily conversations.
One sentence today,
Becomes confidence tomorrow.
and confidence becomes fluency.
Comment below, what time do you wake up for school?
And tell us your favorite school subject.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend learning English.
And save this video so you can practice later.
Thank you for learning with EasyTalk English.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep improving.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Unless your dog really eats your homework.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.